Understanding the travel forecast, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and useful English phrase, travel forecast. This is a term you might come across frequently, especially if you love traveling or need to plan trips. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Travel forecast refers to predictions or information about the conditions you might expect while traveling. This typically includes weather conditions, but it can also cover other aspects like traffic, road closures, or even political situations in certain areas. Understanding a travel forecast is crucial for planning a safe and comfortable journey. 1. Weather conditions. This includes temperature, precipitation, like rain or snow, wind speed, and more. 2. Traffic updates. Information about road traffic, which is especially important for road trips. 3. Safety advisories. These are warnings about potential safety concerns, like political unrest or natural disasters. 4. Cultural events. Sometimes, travel forecasts include information about local events or festivals that might impact your travel. 1. Before our trip to London, we should check the travel forecast for the week. 2. The travel forecast mentioned heavy snowfall in the mountains, so we need to pack accordingly. 3. I heard the travel forecast on the radio. There's a major parade downtown, which might cause traffic delays. Listen carefully, pay attention to details, as forecasts can change. Check reliable sources. Always get your information from trusted weather or travel websites. Plan accordingly. Use the forecast to plan your activities and pack suitable clothing. That's all about the travel forecast. I hope this video helps you understand this term better and makes your travel planning smoother. Remember, a good travel forecast can be your best friend on any journey. Safe travels and happy learning!